My name is Anton, I'm 18 years old, and I will take you through the process of registering for the health insurance and setting you up. It is actually mandatory to have health insurance here. So the moment that I knew that I had to have the health insurance, I started the process of setting me up. Approximately 1 month before the study, I researched some health insurances, and I found that all of them required the same 4 things, which is the letter of enrollment from the university, from the Lancaster, the bank details, and the photo. And the fourth information that the health insurance is required was the German address. And of course, at the time I didn't have it, but that could wait until you get the German address. So I chose one of the biggest health insurances in Germany, and that was it until the welcome week. And in the welcome week, there were some representatives from the health insurance inside of the campus, and they will help students with the rest of the documents they needed to submit. For example, in my case, it was the new bank details. I opened the German ones and the new address. And from that moment on, I was completely insured in Germany, and I am paying 135 euros per month. And with that, I'm covered for basically anything, and for any emergencies or the doctor's appointment. And that's pretty handy because I'm a mountain biker, and in case of any emergencies, I'm covered. And actually, I used my health insurance once. I was feeling a little ill, so I got the doctor's appointment, and I went there, I showed my health insurance card, and the doctor prescribed me a few things. And the health insurance covered all of it, including the appointment itself and the prescriptions.